Ever wondered what secrets lie beneath the surface of the world's deepest lake, Lake Baikal? Tucked away in the wild, wintry expanses of Siberia, Russia, lies a natural wonder that has captivated the minds of scientists, explorers, and nature enthusiasts alike. This is Lake Baikal, a crescent-shaped body of water renowned for its crystal-clear waters and stunning scenery. Lake Baikal is not just any lake. It holds the prestigious title of being the oldest and deepest freshwater lake in the world. Imagine standing at the top of a skyscraper and looking down. That's roughly how deep this lake is. It plunges to an astounding depth of more than 5,387 feet. That's deeper than the Grand Canyon. And if that's not impressive enough, consider this. Lake Baikal has been around for a staggering 25 million years. That's right. When dinosaurs roamed the Earth, Lake Baikal was already there, quietly accumulating layers of sediment and history in its depths. But geography and age are just part of the story. Lake Baikal is a living, breathing entity, home to thousands of species of plants and animals, many of which can't be found anywhere else in the world. The lake's breathtaking beauty and rich biodiversity have earned it the nickname the Galapagos of Russia. Despite its remote location, Lake Baikal is a hub of scientific research. Its unique characteristics make it an invaluable natural laboratory for studying evolution, climate change, and the mysteries of the deep. But more than its depth and age, Lake Baikal hides a rich history and a unique ecosystem beneath its icy surface. Stay tuned as we embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of this enigmatic lake and discover why it continues to fascinate and inspire those who are lucky enough to witness its majesty firsthand. How did Lake Baikal come to be? The answer takes us back millions of years. In the heart of Siberia, nestled between the Buryat Republic and the Irkutsk region, Lake Baikal is a geological marvel, the result of intricate processes that took place during the Mesozoic era, around 250 million years ago. The formation of this immense body of water is a story of Earth's dynamic inner workings, a tale of tectonic plates and their relentless movement. The Earth's crust is not a solid sheet, but a patchwork of tectonic plates, constantly shifting and interacting. Lake Baikal sits on the boundary where the Eurasian plate and the Amur plate meet, a geological hotspot. Millions of years ago, these two plates began to move apart, creating a rift valley. Over time, this rift deepened and widened, filled with water, and gave birth to what we now know as Lake Baikal. But the story doesn't end there. Lake Baikal continues to widen at a pace of about 2 centimeters each year, a small but significant testament to the ever-changing nature of our planet. This continuous expansion is due to the ongoing divergence of the tectonic plates beneath it, a phenomenon known as rifting. This process of rifting has led some scientists to speculate an intriguing possibility. Could Lake Baikal eventually become an ocean? While this may seem far-fetched, it's worth noting that the Red Sea was once a rift lake like Baikal, before it widened enough to connect with the Indian Ocean. So, in the distant future, millions or perhaps billions of years from now, Lake Baikal could potentially transform into the world's newest ocean. A fascinating blend of the ancient and the ever-evolving, Lake Baikal is more than just a lake. It's a living, breathing embodiment of the Earth's dynamic geological history. Its formation and continued growth offer us a unique window into the processes that shape our planet, reminding us of the relentless forces at work beneath our feet. An ancient lake, growing year by year, Lake Baikal is a living testament to Earth's dynamic geological history. Lake Baikal has been a silent witness to countless historical events. Let's dive into its past. Nestled in the heart of Siberia, this great body of water has been revered since ancient times. To the indigenous Buryat people, Lake Baikal was far more than a mere body of water. It was the abode of deities and spirits, a sacred entity woven into the fabric of their shamanistic beliefs. Legends spun around the lake spoke of mighty spirits that governed the wind, waves, and weather. The lake, in essence, was a divine presence that commanded respect and awe. As we journey forward into the 17th century, the silent expanse of Lake Baikal began to echo with the sounds of a different kind of reverence, the pursuit of wealth. Russian fur traders, lured by the promise of rich sable fur, began to explore this mystical lake. Their presence marked the beginning of a significant chapter in the lake's history, as the once secluded lake started to open up to the wider world. In the 19th century, the lake bore witness to an engineering marvel, the construction of the Trans-Siberian Railway. This monumental project, hailed as the longest railway line in the world, skirted the southern edge of the lake, etching a permanent mark on its landscape. The railway brought with it an influx of people and ideas, transforming the lake from a remote entity into a gateway between the east and the west. But it wasn't just the landscape that changed. The lake's ecosystem too began to adapt, evolving with the ebb and flow of human progress. And yet, despite these changes, Lake Baikal has retained its unyielding spirit, its deep waters a testament to resilience and endurance. Through wars, revolutions, and technological advancements, Lake Baikal has remained a constant in a sea of change. Beneath its icy surface, Lake Baikal harbors an incredible ecosystem. Tucked away in the heart of Siberia, this ancient lake is a veritable treasure trove of biodiversity. Its azure depths are home to over 1,700 species of plants and animals, a staggering 2/3 of which cannot be found anywhere else on our planet. Just imagine an underwater world teeming with life forms that are as unique as the lake itself. It's a bit like stepping into a different realm, one where evolution has painted with an unusually vibrant palette. From the tiniest microorganisms to the more visible inhabitants, each creature has its own part to play in this intricate web of life. One of the stars of this underwater show is the Baikal seal, also known as the Nerpa. It's a creature that seems to defy the logic of geography. This adorable little mammal is the world's only freshwater seal, a testament to the extraordinary adaptability of life. Somehow, these seals have managed to carve out a niche for themselves in this remote and challenging environment, demonstrating a level of resilience that is nothing short of awe-inspiring. But the seals are not alone. The waters of Lake Baikal are also home to the golemyanka, a translucent fish which has perfectly adapted to the extreme pressure of the deep. Then there's the Baikal oilfish, a species that has evolved to survive in the oxygen-poor depths of the lake. And let's not forget the countless species of crustaceans, mollusks, and other invertebrates that add to the lake's rich tapestry of life. Dive a little deeper, and you'll discover a world of microscopic organisms that form the base of the lake's food chain. These tiny creatures, invisible to the naked eye, play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of the entire ecosystem. A unique world unto itself, Lake Baikal's ecosystem is a vibrant display of life's adaptability. From the surface, it might look like just another lake, but beneath the waves, it's a different story entirely. A story of life, resilience, and the incredible diversity of our natural world. Today, Lake Baikal stands as a symbol of natural beauty and ecological wealth. It's not just a body of water. It's a living, breathing testament to the majesty of the natural world. Currently, it serves as an important hub for tourism, drawing in nature lovers from all corners of the globe who come to marvel at its crystal-clear waters and rich biodiversity. This influx of tourists, while beneficial for the local economy, also brings challenges. Increased human activity around the lake has led to a rise in pollution levels, threatening the pristine condition of its waters and the survival of its unique species. Plastic waste left behind by visitors, untreated sewage flowing into the lake, and the unregulated dumping of industrial waste have all contributed to this growing problem. Climate change, too, poses a significant threat to Lake Baikal. Rising temperatures are causing the ice cover to melt earlier each year, disrupting the lake's ecosystem and the life cycles of its inhabitants. The warmer waters are also encouraging the growth of harmful algae, which deplete oxygen levels and threaten the survival of other species. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are concerted efforts being made to preserve Lake Baikal for future generations. Strict regulations have been put in place to curb pollution, and there is a growing emphasis on promoting sustainable tourism. Numerous conservation projects are underway, aimed at safeguarding the lake's unique ecosystem and ensuring that it continues to thrive. Education is also a key part of this preservation effort. By raising awareness about the importance of this stunning natural resource and the threats it faces, we can inspire people to take action and contribute to its protection. Because ultimately it's not just about preserving a lake, it's about safeguarding our planet's biodiversity and ensuring a healthy, vibrant future for all life on Earth. As we strive to protect and preserve Lake Baikal, we are reminded of our responsibility to the natural world and the mysteries it holds.